Maths Challenge. Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. Today we are solving 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. We have two operations here, division and addition. So we are to begin with this division. 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. When we are dividing fraction, there is a rule that will make it easier for us. That rule is called KCF. KCF rule. Now the K stands for keep. That is, we will rewrite this first fraction again. We rewrite it here, 3 over 4. Then the C here stands for change. That is, we are changing this division to multiplication. And the F stands for flip. We are flipping 1 over 2 into 2 over 1. Or we invert it. That is, 2 will go up, 1 will come down. So it becomes 2 over 1. Plus this last fraction. Last fraction there is 1 over 4. We would write it like that. Now, the next thing is to multiply these two. 3 times 2 will give us 6 over 4 times 1 will give us 4 plus this fraction here, 1 over 4. Now let's find the common denominator of 4 and 4, and that will give us 4. The common denominator is 4. 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. 1 times 6 will give us 6. Plus 4 into 4 is 1. 1 plus 1 times 1 is 1. Excuse me. Equal to 1 plus 6 is 7 over 4. How many times can 4 go in 7? It can go once, and it will remain 3. Remainder 3. Put that remainder over the 4. That is our answer.